Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Remove the windshield washer fluid container and reach down. This is the level sensor. Lock is on the bottom side of the connector. Push it in. Pull the connector off. I don't want to pull this out of the bottle because it'll drain all the fluid out. Pump is plugged in on this side. Lock is on the bottom of it. If you can't push it in with your fingertip, you can use a small flat-bladed screwdriver. You just carefully push the lock in and then pop it off. There's a 10mm bolt on the top here, and then 2 down the engine compartment. I'm going to start with the one up top here. Use a 10mm socket, a short extension, and a ratchet. Loosen this up. You can use the short extension to get down in here. If you've got access to it, you can use a much longer extension. It'll just make it slightly easier because now I can turn the ratchet up here instead of down here in the engine compartment. Lift the bottle up. It is full of fluid. I'll do my best to not spill it. Pull the hose off. Now it is clipped in down here. As soon as you pull this off, it's going to want to leak out. What I'm trying to do is lift it up and get it on the side here. So if you need to drain this, if it has fluid in it, I'm going to take the gallon container. I'm going to put it right where the original one was. I've got a funnel in there. And let's see if I can pour it in without spilling it everywhere. If you do spill some, it's just windshield washer fluid, it's not a big deal. You can rinse it out with water or it'll just dry out. This bottle holds about a gallon. So I put the cap back on. And I can hold it this way, so there's still some fluid in here, but I can pull the washer hose off. It'll just come right off the nipple here. Now I'll take this over. Let me see if I can get the rest out. Pull the motor out. Just gonna grab onto it. It just sits in a rubber grommet to seal it. I'm just gonna work it back and forth. Pull it out of the bottle. Reinstall it, push it right back into place. Electrical connector went to the top. Make sure you push it down in and it seals. If need be, I'm going to take the rubber grommet off first. Push it right in, just like that. Reinstall the washer bottle. Make sure you plug the washer hose back in, or else it's just going to spray washer fluid all over the inside of your engine compartment. It'll just push over. And then it was clipped up into here. And as we lower it down into place, I'll plug in the level sensor. It'll click when it locks into place. I can reach down and plug in the washer pump. Clicks when it locks into place. We'll line up the spots where it was sitting. And get this top one caught here. And reach down and get the other 2 caught. Tighten these up. You don't need to kill these. If you feel them get tight, just stop. And the same for this one here. Fill up our washer fluid bottle. Pretty big opening, I don't need a funnel. And just fill it up to the top. Probably takes about a gallon, maybe a little more. Once you're done, just Let's put the cap back on.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.